Hello, so in this video we are going to study about addition of fractions. So previously we have discussed what are known as fractions and what are the types of fractions, and also how to convert improper fractions into mixed number and mixed numbers conversion to improper fractions. So you can check those videos via the cards here, and let's move to the video. Okay, so my first question is like this: 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So, for the additions of fractions, we have to have the common denominator. So, here in the first part we have 5 in the denominator, and in the second part also we have 5 in the denominator. So as those two denominators are same, we can just add the numerators. We will put the same denominator here and we are going to add only the numerators. So 2 plus 1 is 3. That's it. Keep in mind, no need to add. You don't add the denominators together. If the denominators are same, you just add the numerator only. Okay. So, our next question is 7 over 12 plus 1 over 12. So, what is the denominator here in both fractions? Yes, that is 12. We will just write that 12 here. And as the common denominator is there, we are going to add the numerators together. So, 7 plus 1 means, yes, that is 8. So, if we got like this answer, we can simplify this answer a little bit further. So, 8 and 12 both can be divided by 4, right? So, we are going to simplify both 8 and 12 by 4. This is the way how to do that. For 8, how many 4s are there? That is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. For 12, how many 4 are there? Yes, that is 3. So, 3 times 4 is 12. So, this is the final answer. In the fractions lesson, you have to keep your answer in the simplest form. So, if you got the answer like this, you have to convert that answer to 2 over 3. Okay. So, let's do another few more examples. My next example is 2 over 10 plus 1 over 5. Now, in the first part, we have the denominator as 10, and in the second part, we have the denominator as 5. So, are those same? No, that is not same. So, we have to make a common denominator. So, we have to make the common denominator by multiplying. No? So, 10. Can 10 be multiplied by any number and take 5? No, we can't do that. But, can we multiply 5 by a number and take the 10 as the answer? Yes. We can multiply 5 by 2. Then the answer is 10, no? Okay, now keep in mind. To a fraction, we can't do anything new to only one part. We have to do the same thing for denominator and numerator both. Okay, so I have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So, here I have 2 over 10 already, plus 1 times 2 is 2, 5 times 2 is, yes, that is 10. Now we have the common denominator, and now the same question as we done earlier. The denominator is 10. Now adding numerators, 2 plus 2 means 4. So this is the answer, but this is not simplified answer. Okay, let's simplify. To 4 and 10, we have 2 times, right? So 2 times 2, 2 times 5. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Moving to the next question, that is 7 over 8 plus 1 over 24. So what is the common denominator we can take? Yes, we can take the common denominator 24. So to make 24, from which number I have to multiply 8? 8 by 3, right? Very good. 8 by 3 and also 7 by 3. 7 times 3, 21 plus 8 times 3, 24. 1/24 is already there. Okay. So the answer is denominator 24, 21 plus 1, 22. So I have to simplify this one a little bit further by 2. 2 times 11, 2 times 12. So this is the final answer. You can note down anything if you want. Okay. So our next question is 1/2 plus 2/3. 1/2 plus 2/3. So the common denominator. I can't make 3 by 2 and also 2 by 3. So I have to multiply both the sides to get a common denominator. So what is the least common denominator I can take? I can take 6, right? So my intention is to make the denominators into 6. Now, to make 6, I am going to multiply 3 by 2, both the sides, and 2 by 3, both the sides. Okay, now 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. This is done. Okay, so 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Now the common denominator is 6. We are going to add the numerators together. 4 plus 3, 7. So, can we put this answer in the last answer? Can we keep this answer for the last answer? No, this is an improper fraction. We can't keep improper fractions for answers. So, we have to convert this one into a mixed number. So, we know how to convert that. If you haven't seen that part, you can watch the video later. Okay. Now, I'm going to do that one. So, 7/6 means 7 divided by 6. The denominator is already 6. 1 6 are there and remainder is 1. So, to convert these things, you can watch our previous video. I will put the card here also. Okay, done. So, this is the answer. So, the next question we are going to discuss is 3/25 plus 1/2. So, what is the common denominator we can take? Yes, we can make 50, right? The number I am going to make is 50. Okay, to make 50, I have to multiply here by 2 and here by 25. Here by 25. 3 times 2 is 6 and 50 plus 25 times 1 is 25 and 50. Common denominator 50, 25 plus 6 means 31. I can't simplify this one further, so this is the final answer. So here I have the last question I am going to discuss for this. That is 1 2/3 plus 2 3/4. Okay, that is mixed numbers. I have two mixed numbers to be added. So, we can't add mixed numbers. First of all, what we have to do is we have to convert this one into an improper fraction. You know how to do that. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5/3. Plus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11/4. Now I don't have a common denominator. So the common denominator I am going to make is 12. So let's make 12. Multiply by 4 and here multiply by 3. 4 times 5 is 20/12 plus 11 times 3 is 33/12. Okay. Now let's add this together. Denominator is 12 and numerator is 53. Now I can't cut both sides but I have to convert this one into a mixed number. So how many 12 times are there for 53? 4, no? That is 48. So 5 is remaining. You can do this one in the long division method also, but if you can do this one in your mind, that's better. So in this part, we have discussed how to do addition related to fractions with same denominator, different denominators, and how to add mixed numbers together. So in the next video, we are going to discuss about how to do subtraction related to fractions. So let's meet soon.